How to add the reminder widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, tap on the left-hand side panel. Then tap on the Widget panel. From the list of widgets, scroll down, then tap on Reminder. And from here, select a widget size and then tap on it. Then tap on Done at the top. Then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And from here, you can view your reminders widget at the top here. Tap on that will allow you to directly open up your reminders widget, your reminders app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.